Here we want to evaluate this double integral. And so to evaluate this double integral, first we evaluate the inside integral. So the inside integral is the integral of 3x to the third times y dy. And so this integral is with respect to y. And the factor 3x to the third, there's no y, so we could think of it as constant. And so this, think of 3x to the third as a multiplication constant, so we can move it and place it in front of the integral. And then the antiderivative of y is just y squared over 2. Evaluating from 0 to 3. And so replacing y with 3, we'll get 9. Replacing y with 0, we just get 0. And so 3 times 9 is 27 over 2x to the third. And so now the double integral becomes the integral from 0 to 5 of 27 halves x to the third, because the inside integral here is 27 halves times x to the third. And so we have 27 halves. Antiderivative for x to the third is x to the fourth dividing by 4. And then evaluating from 0 to 5. And so replace x with 5. And then replace x with 0. And we'll get 2109.375. So that's what this double integral is 2109.375. And for some function like 3x to the third times y, we could also find this double integral as follows. And so once again, we have this double integral, so the inside integral here is with respect to y. And so the 3x to the third, there's no y here, so we could think of it as a constant. And so since it's a constant multiplication constant, we can move it and place it in front of the integral, the inside integral. And now look at the outside integral. The outside integral is with respect to x. This integral here, there's no x, so we could think of it as the multiplication constant with respect to the outside integral, so we can move it outside. And now we evaluate this integral, the outside integral. Then this would be y squared over 2, and evaluating from 0 to 3. and then times. This integral will be 3x to the fourth, and dividing by 4, and evaluating from 0 to 5. This integral, not this integral, when we evaluate from this expression here, evaluating from 0 to 3, will be 4.5. And then this expression, this entire derivative, evaluating from 0 to 5, we'll get 468.75. And then multiplying 4.5 with 468.75, we'll get 2,109.75, which is what we got earlier. And so for some function, this function here is the function 3x to the third times y. For some function, we can find the double integral like this.